Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with nCLOSE. Today what we're going to be discussing is how to install a hand strap on the new mini two-piece case. So what we have here is we have a couple different options for you, or plugs. You'll notice that there's 4 different plugs and we have a couple different ways for you to secure. You can use our original G2 hand strap, which will let you go into some screw holes. You can also then use your existing D kits through the screw holes or your shoulder strap. Now, we have some pretty cool new little options for you. So once you determine which configuration you want, whether it's going to be vertical like this or horizontal like this, before you install anything, there are these little side clips. So what I would recommend is you just come in and push down on one side, and you can see that clip just pops out. Now, determine what you're going to be attaching: a hand strap with the D clip for a shoulder strap strap by itself, or the hand strap by itself. And then what you would do is you can feed it in like this, and then I turn it over, and you just simply press down flush on it, and it pops right in. You're gonna do the same thing with this side. You're gonna come over to this, you're gonna slide it in, flip it over, and once you get it horizontal, you pop it in. Now again, if I wanted to add a D-ring kit separate, I could also do that by coming over here, flipping it over, and adding my D kit to this as well. And so you can see with the two-piece case, this is very slim, very sleek, fits right into an apron. And now you are ready to go ahead and attach a shoulder strap, a hand strap. With this particular configuration, I could take my shoulder strap and clip it up here to the other D kit, and then I can have a single point of contact. I could have also used my shoulder strap that has the 2 D-ring kits and attach it that way as well. Thank you for watching. This is Jimmy with nCLOSE, and this is the updated hand strap attachment.